Hello guys and welcome back to yet another epic and exciting episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. From close calls all the way up to road rage and many more crazy moments are right here on this channel. Today's episode is packed with all sorts of crazy situations, so make sure to pay close attention and learn something. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. In our first video, we have a reckless driver who parked in the middle of the road and went outside to do his business, but that's not the most shocking part. Check out what happened when he got back to his car.
Employee who was trying to get information, he ended up being fired. Information from the US-based employees of TikTok about that Oracle server, the location and details of it.
Florida Tech, 6-3, Bravo, Sierra, Yankee, Kilo, Toyota Highlander.
Camera caught some crazy footage of all sorts of rude and self-entitled drivers on the road. Watching videos like this makes you wonder how dangerous it is to drive. People run red lights, take last-second exits, cut others off and many more. Whatever you do, just make sure you avoid making the same mistakes as these drivers. The semi-truck driver on the right side of the camera was in a right turn lane. Guess which way he moved on from there. This type of driving will eventually lead to an accident.
Dude! What the f*** are you doing, you mucking idiot?
Turn left at the traffic light.
Pay close attention at the driver on the right side of the camera. Believe it or not, but this guy was watching a video while driving. When you talk about careless behavior, this has to be at the top of the list.
Oh, he's still looking. He's still looking. Go.
Guys.
Go. Go, truck. Okay, dude. He's too cautious.
But he
Oh
looked
my
very-
God.
Oh,
Oh
goodness.
my God.
That was not good.
No, he almost got hit.
Yep. Almost did. Wished he would have gotten it on film.
Oh man, that would have been killer. That would.
Hey everyone, Quest here, coming back from the open road one more time. A little bit older video. And be nice to the jerks who are trying to rush ahead. But wait, what the hell is this guy doing? I thought commercial drivers, I thought we were supposed to be professionals. So this guy rushes all the way up the exit lane to try and get ahead of everybody, and then has to force his way back in. Well, I mean, I'm gonna be a nice guy and let him in just so that we don't cause an accident. But...
Yay! Yay! You're still mostly in it. Anyone in there? This you?
Yeah.
I guess you just stop in the middle of the road?
Well, if you got a parking spot for me, we're just trying to pick up.
That's
Dude,
your.
you can go around.
That's your responsibility. There's space right there. I saw spaces up here.
That's an alleyway.
Did you even
You can go
try?
away.
Did you even try? The instant defensiveness. Car, where are you going? They have a red light. Oh, now you use your turn signal. Actually, wait, I do want to go straight here. Never mind.
A road driver casually stopped in the middle of the road for no reason at all. Just because you have hazards on, it doesn't mean you can stop and block the entire lane. Luckily, a karma cop showed on time.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Here's an empty one. Let's see. You parked like an idiot? Double parking? Why can't you find parking, you lazy fucker? Enjoy that.
With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning something out of this as well. If you support this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really helps a lot. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.